So last Saturday night, our friend group decided to have an old-fashioned board game night because apparently, going out is overrated and my couch misses me. We dusted off the classic Clue game, yes, the one with the tiny candlestick and the murder Y vibes. It was all fun and games until my girlfriend, Amanda, squinted at the game cards and said, "Wait, doesn't Mrs. Peacock look exactly like Mrs. Henderson from apartment 3B? We all laughed it off, but then Steve held up the Professor Plum card and said, "Guys, is it just me or does this look exactly like Mr. Wilkins, the guy who waters his plants in a bow tie?" Our curiosity piqued, we started laying out the character cards and listing them next to our real-life neighbors. Colonel Mustard, Mr. Patel, who wears a yellow tracksuit to collect his mail. Miss Scarlet, obviously Jessica, who only wears red, even her bathrobe. By the third glass of wine, we had mapped every Clue character to someone in our building. The only one we struggled with was Mrs. White, but then we remembered the building super, Gladys, who is always in a white apron and wields a suspiciously large mop. Fueled by a mixture of Pinot Grigio and poor decision-making, we decided to do some investigating. This involved peeking through peepholes and pretending to casually take out the trash every 10 minutes. Things escalated when Amanda insisted we needed evidence, so Steve, who once watched 3 episodes of CSI, started bagging lint from the hallway as fiber samples. We ended up with a pile of lint, 2 rubber bands, and a receipt for a suspiciously large amount of prune juice. Thanks, Mrs. Henderson. In the end, after hours of investigating, we didn't solve any mysteries, but we did realize one thing: if anyone in our building ever goes missing, the only crime happening is us trying to frame each other for stealing the last slice of pizza. Turns out, the only thing we murdered that night was the concept of personal boundaries, and maybe Steve's dignity. But hey, at least we finally figured out who left the library book in the laundry room. It was Colonel Mustard, in the basement, with the overdue fine.